we're able to draw a line where price is supported. And then further to the right, we get a bottoming pattern, a double bottom. It's a basic chart pattern that slightly penetrates to meet our former resistance level that's now showing support. Our demand line extends right into the area of interest. A confluence of factors is important to virtually all price action strategies. Now notice that we're not only looking for a confluence of hits on any line we draw, but also with any trading opportunity. Once the resistance turned to support, it's now holding at the confluence. It's time to enter the trade. Now, taking too long to enter can have price leave the station without us, and this trade was entered with about 30 seconds left on the clock. Now, trade management and profit taking. Now, the trade starts off with the type of action we would love to see every time we enter a trade. I kept in mind that price did leave from a range and that it is possible we could get stuck in the range. The range was most likely in place as traders waited for the NFP release, and it would not be too much of a factor once the news was out. The target was an extension from the range to the news low and projected upwards. It also fell in line with a notable resistance level from earlier in the session, plus the high of the day was just above. The price does stall. However, it finds support at a level that provided multiple support hits early in the session prior to being shattered. One final push to completion, and after easily handing just over 40 pips, price tumbles to the range low. And after price hits the target and tumbles lower, I missed the glaring trade setup here. Support level was holding, plus a bottoming pattern, plus failure tests of the lows equals confluence. Now see if you can spot that on the chart. So let's look at some truths. Number one, it's not as easy as simply spotting a pin bar. Price action and structure are not the holy grail that many marketers say that they are. They fail just like anything else. So while it's important to know what a successful play looks like, you also must know when the pattern has failed. Number two, price action will not tell you what will happen next. Nothing in trading can with 100% certainty, but the price will tell you what just happened. From there, your analysis and your trade plan should tell you what action to take or not to take. Using a trading indicator does not discount price action trading. Many traders will use a moving average for mean reversion or an extended market and then use price action and patterns to determine their next course of action. Number four, support and resistance potential. They're also used in addition to price action as reaction points in the market. It's important that you define a consistent method for determining what will constitute a zone for your own trading. Now, it can be simple. What shapes price and structure are twofold. Momentum moves, reversion to the mean, the ebb and flow of price, and as a trader, we look to find those times of imbalance and then take advantage of the opportunity. Now, it sounds simple enough, but it's not something that you're going to learn in a day. Sure, you can understand the patterns and even spot them. However, there's always a distance between understanding and execution. Even if you use indicator-based systems, learning even a simple price action strategy may have the effect of boosting the effectiveness of the system that you're using. The amount of focus you direct to any trading method that has proven itself in the market will have a direct relationship to the state of your profit and loss. So what's your next step? Take some time going through your charts and see if you can lay down support and resistance zones using multiple hits as your guide to a quality level. Use the look left method, where you start with recent price and just move to the left. Do the same with trend lines, where you look for multiple touches inside of the extremes. To make it easier, look for strong runs in price and then seek out the channel for practice. And once you have these plotted, watch how price reacts once it meets one of these areas, or even better, when there's a confluence of variables coming together. Now, I'm going to admit this takes a lot of time to learn and implement. I'm still working towards expanding my own repertoire of tradable structures because you want a toolbox that you can draw from. In the meantime, you can begin your journey using trading systems that have proven themselves in the market and eventually overlay your price action trading knowledge onto the system. You can find out more about NetPick's very own battle-hardened trading system in a free webinar where you will see firsthand the power of a professionally designed trading system.